Okay, hello everyone. So today we'll be going to learn how to find out value of a resistance by looking on the colors on the resistor. So basically in market, if you try to find a resistor, then basically the resistor will have 4 or 5 or 6 color bands on it. So how to read those color bands and find out the value of resistance? So this we are gonna learn in this lecture. Okay, so in our syllabus, we'll only cover the 4 band resistors. Okay, so you have to keep your notebook handy for this because you have to write down some, some formulas, some tricks to how to, read the color bands. Okay, so basically in market, if you see the resistance that you'll buy will be in this form. So this is a resistor, a carbon resistor, and these are the color bands. You can see it's brown, black, yellow, and gold. Similarly, in the below one, it's a brown, black, orange. Again, it's brown. So basically, it is used by manufacturers to specify the value of resistance. Like, how will you find out what is the value of resistance? So this kind of color bands are there. So there is a way to read these color bands. So you have to learn all the colors and the numbers related to them, and then how to use the nomenclature to find the value of resistance. So basically, a resistor will have, in our syllabus, we have 4 band resistors. So the first band will give first significant digit. The second band will give second significant digit. The third band will be multiplier. I'll tell you what is the meaning of multiplier. And the fourth band will give the tolerance limit, like how much extra the resistor can tolerate. So the fourth number, the fourth color will give percentage. The third color will give multiplier, and the first and second colors will give you the significant digits or the first two numbers, like the number on tens place, the number on units place. Okay, so please write down the colors and the number related to them. Okay, so we have basically black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, up to white. Then the fourth band will be either of gold color or of silver color, or there will be no color. So to remember this numbers, there's a trick like B Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. So B for black, B for brown. So first two colors, black and brown. So for black, the number will be 0. The multiplier will be 10 raised to power 0. 10 raised to power 0 is 1. For brown, the number is 1 and the multiplier is 10 raised to power 1. Then comes red. For red, the number will be 2. Multiplier will be 10 raised to power 2. For orange, the number will be 3. Multiplier will be 10 raised to power 3. For yellow, the number will be 4. The multiplier will be 10 raised to power 4. And next green. So for green, the number will be 5 and the multiplier will be 10 raised to power 5. So B Roy. So BROY all will be there. For great, you will only take the G part. Great Britain. So for Britain, we'll take blue. So after green, there is blue. For number is 6, 10 raised to power 6. Very, we'll take V, that is violet. Violet is 7, multiply is 10 raised to power 7. And for G, it's gray. The number is 8, multiply 10 raised to power 8. And wife, we'll take only W. For white, the number is 9, the multiplier is 10 raised to power 9. And this gold, silver, and no color will represent the tolerance limit. So for gold, the multiplier will be 10 raised to power minus 1 and the tolerance limit will be plus minus 5%. For silver, the multiplier will be 10 raised to power minus 2 and the tolerance limit will be plus minus 10%. And for no color, the tolerance limit will be plus minus 20%. So you have to remember this sequence like black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver, no color. So for B Roy, like how will you remember which B represents what color? Like we have 3B here, black, brown, blue. So the most black and then the black color decreases, so brown, and then the black color vanishes, so blue. So you can remember black, the most black, then brown, then blue. And another like the green will be on top, the gray will be in bottom. You have to remember this thing. Now how to use this color? Suppose Suppose we have a resistor like this. The first color is yellow. So the first digit is yellow. So you have to check like which color will represent yellow color. So yellow is basically 4. So the first digit will be 4. Then the second digit is violet. So you have to check for violet we have 7. So the second will be 47. Now put a multiplication sign. The third will be multiplier. So multiplier is of red color. So for red color, it's basically 10 raised to power 2. So it will be 10 raised to power 2. Then put plus minus. The fourth band is of gold color. So for gold, the tolerance limit will be 5%. So it is 5%. So the value of resistance is 47 into 10 raised to power 2 plus minus 5%. Okay, similarly, in the below one also, the one thing is changed with the multiplier. It is of orange color now. So basically the below resistance will be of 47 into 10 raised to power 3 plus minus same the golden color 5%. So this is a way like how you can find out the value of resistance when a resistor is given with bands on it. And in our syllabus we have 4 band resistor. These resistors are made up of pure carbon, so they are also called as carbon resistors. Okay, so and the value of this carbon resistors can range up to million ohms. So the basic thing is that you have to remember the color and the number related to it. So this numbers, if you remember the number, you can easily find out the multiplier. Then you have to remember the tolerance limit of gold, silver, and there is no color, then the tolerance limit is 20%. Okay, now if you have any doubt, you can message me, or you can also solve questions related to this topic in from our NCERT book. In our NCERT, we have many questions regarding color coding of resistors. Okay.